Hi, my name is Jolene Salamela and welcome to the ZKTeco South Africa YouTube channel. Today we will explore the newly arrived ProMA series. This terminal is used as an outdoor facial and fingerprint access control unit. But before we get into the nitty-gritties of this video, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you can stay up to date with what's to come. We got a new competitor in our outdoor facial recognition series, the ProMA. It features a robust aluminium casting that is water, dust and vandal proof. Talk about enhanced security, hey? The ProMA offers impressive authentication and speed. It comes with fingerprint capacity of 10,000, 30,000 facial templates, 50,000 cards and stores up to 500,000 transactions on the device. Its special features include IP66 rating and IKO7 rating as well, which makes it a good contender for outdoor use. Now for the burning question. What's in the box, you might be asking? Let's find out. Ooh. We got a quick start guide with a mounting template. The ProMA with admin card, power supply, power cable, PoE splitter, installation accessories. That's all for this video. The link to this device is in the description. Do leave your thoughts in the comments and then I'll see you guys in the next one.